This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Let's take a look at Advanced Micro Devices, which just completed a head and shoulders topping pattern. Taking a look back, the stock rallied above 20-year resistance in July of 2020, came up to about the 97 or 100 level in December 2020, formed this broad cup and handle pattern, breaking out in July, coming back and testing new support in September, and then taking off in this final wave up to about the 165 level in November. Now, as you can see, what's developed since about the start of November is we have a very quick left shoulder right here, a head right here that comes down to a trend to a neckline, and then a rally that came right back to this early November high, which is very typical of the head and shoulders pattern. Now we've had this long extension that started right at the end of December, big long selling wave all the way down to the 618 retracement of this wave, coming right into this neckline and completing the pattern. Well, the head and shoulders patterns, they either work or they don't work, and I don't think the timing is quite right for a breakdown, but this is definitely something to watch in coming sessions right here around the 122 to 125 level, especially because it's combined with this 618 retracement. I do think we're going to get a bounce. Daily stochastics is oversold, but the weekly stochastic is still in a sell cycle, so I'm expecting that rally to fail. Where might it fail? I think maybe up around the 140 level or so, maybe around there. Now this pattern will stay in place until we get a rally above these a trend line of these lower highs here. So that'll take about the 155 or 156 level to break this pattern and get it off the charts. If you take a look at the accumulation, as you can see, accumulation came up to the August high in November, and it's been dripping lower since that time. We've come back about to an October level, and we're not really seeing much signs of any accumulation. Should be interesting on this bounce. The market's bouncing after that midday reversal on Monday. I don't expect this to get much higher, but if we really start to see this pick up, that will be a bullish sign. But for the time being, I think AMD shareholders need to be a little bit cautious. Price action of 2021's big chip winners hasn't been good to start the year. Nvidia's down by a pretty large percentage, so this could be the year that AMD corrects rather than rewarding shareholders.